I like to keep my everyday routine simple and clean. So I love a multi-purpose product that's also made with organic ingredients. Sky Organics Castile Liquid Soaps tick all of those boxes for me. They're do-it-all, plant-based, and non-toxic cleansers made with nourishing olive, coconut, and sunflower oils that gently clean skin and household surfaces without stripping. It's made without sulfates, parabens, and phthalates, only the purest organic ingredients that are soft on skin but still tough on grime, safe for the whole family, and they're vegan too. There are 5 natural fragrances. French lavender is my all-time favorite. They even have an unscented version that you can add to your own essential oils to, so that you can create your own natural scent. Or you can just use it on its own if you don't feel like smelling anything. My favorite thing about these is that there are a dozen ways to use it in your beauty and your household routines. Perfect for the multitaskers like me who don't want 1,000 products around the house. What don't I use Castile soaps for? I keep the 32-ounce bottle of lavender scent in my bathroom and use it to refill my glass hand soap and body wash containers. I am totally obsessed with it, and I love that it's eco-friendly because I'm buying one product and I'm minimizing my waste. And because my skin is so easily irritated, having a body wash that moisturizes as it cleans is essential. So I love that the Castile soaps keep me feeling cleaned but not stripped. I use the Florida citrus scent to wash my dishes because the citrus essential oils are full of antibacterial properties that help degrease dirty dishes. I also dilute it in water and add a few essential oils to make my own natural cleaning sprays for my kitchen and my bathrooms, since cleaning products are typically the most toxic. You can use it on your floors, you can use it to clean your carpets, as a laundry detergent. The list goes on, and it's still so gentle and safe to use on every skin type. It's unreal. Once you hop on the Castile soap train, I promise you, there's no getting off. You'll be hooked.